Hey everybody, we're opening B-Gurl, and we have some of her friends from Dance 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 here to help. Okay, first we need to open the
box.
That's a box.
Yeah.
Yes, and it's a special box. Why is that?
Yeah, why?
Because, hold that open, it dances. Woo! Can you see that? Oh. Did you say she's a zombie?
Yeah.
Why is she a zombie?
Just has one eye.
She just has one eye? Oh my goodness.
Here.
Wow. Oh! Okay, let's open the box.
Big eye.
Oh, wow. Here's B-Gurl. She's kind of out of the box. The box is open at least. And we're checking her out for the first time. She has really cool hair. What do you think of her hair, Emily?
Good. I like her boots.
Oh, she's wearing tall boots, like a mid-calf boot.
Oh, hi. That's unbox a thing.
Okay, what else is she wearing? Like a pair of shorts and a little halter top. The shorts kind of remind me of boxing shorts. Is she a boxer? I don't know. Let's find out. We've got a box here. What's in the box? Do you think there's some accessories in there?
Yep.
Okay, let's see what's in there.
Wow, look at this fast. Yay.
Oh, it's a black light flashlight. That's cool. Okay. The glasses are pretty awesome. What is that?
Earrings.
Oh, I love those glasses.
And that's it.
Earrings.
And that's it.
That's it in there. Okay. Okay, girl. Time to get you out. I mean, B-Gurl. Hey, so looks like we have a garment bag here. What do you think is in there? Go ahead and open that one.
Thank you.
Okay, it's a puffer. It's like a silver iridescent puffer, and I think it will go great on our doll. What is that?
It's a hanger.
Oh, cool. We needed more hangers. We have so many clothes now. We needed hangers. Check out the inside. Did you see that, Emily? It
Wow.
says B-Gurl.
Yep.
There's lots of words. Pivot, jump,
Tied to this.
drop,
Now it's time.
shuffle, dance, wiggle, spin, flip. That's cool. Hop. All different dance moves. I think she's ready to go and show her stuff. And these little tags say OMG. Power moves. Break it down. Where's my coat?
Let me put it on you. Oh, let me just tie. There we go. It's on your arm.
Wow, I'm carrying my coat around. It's such a nice little puffer. I really, really like it.
And I think of soft.
Is it super soft?
Yeah.
That's so nice. Check out my earrings too.
Sorry,
Those are the biggest hoops I've ever seen. Can you see my braids? They're so pretty.
Oh, yeah.
Hi.
Oh, sorry, your toe.
Are you here for dance class?
Oh, yeah. Wait,
I'm your dance instructor, B-Gurl.
thank you.
I will be showing you power moves, and I'm going to break it down for you. Okay? Okay, everybody? Okay, great. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to learn the kick and jump.
I'm sorry. I don't know. I don't have my... I need to take my...
Kick and jump. And
Let me take my shoes off.
let's do a flip. Woo!
Wait. I need to take my shoes off.
You're not ready for class?
I'm
You're
sorry.
taking your shoes off.
Oh, I did.
Where's your dance shoes?
I thought...
Girl, where's your dance shoes?
Oh, I thought it
You're
was...
not ready for class?
I thought it was gymnastics.
Gymnastics? No, this is dance class.
Oh, then I want to...
Gymnastics? I think that's tomorrow. Oh, woo! B-Gurl. Pretty cool. Oh, wow, she kicks really high.
Let's do it even higher. Whoa. That's...
Wow, that's like splits, aerial splits.
Yes,
That was good, B-Gurl.
Yeah, baby. Let's do flips on the floor, everybody. Look what I can do. Look, I can hop up, and then I can hop down. And now
Wow, that is amazing. Did you see what she can do? Look at that. She's like levitating.
I'm doing the dance. Whoa.
She's almost like a magician's assistant. Look at that. She just floats in the air. What a graceful dancer. Wow, levitation and spinning all in one move. Good going. Thanks so much for watching our unboxing of B-Gurl, one of the latest dolls from LOL Surprise in the Dance 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 series. Hey everyone, it's B-Gurl. I'm here at the LOL International Dance Competition, and I'm ready to show everyone my power moves. Check out my boots, check out my outfit. I've got my puffer, I'm all ready to go. Can't wait for the black light to really show my colors. Please subscribe to our channel, Sky and Sky, for unboxing, stop motion, and do-it-yourself crafts. Thanks for watching. Want to see more Dance Dance Dance? We also did a video on Major Lady, an unboxing and stop motion. We also have OMG Girl Squad, featuring many favorite dolls. And if you like crafts, we have a rainbow LOL Surprise doll display. Super cute.